Hi all, I'm Mano. Welcome to Mano Cooks. Today we will make a very basic and simple aloo beans carrot ki sabzi. Let's heat a pan and add 3 tablespoon oil. Let the oil heat up and go ahead and add the mustard seeds. Allow the mustard seeds to crackle, and once it is crackle, let's go ahead and add cumin seeds. We'll be adding a handful of curry leaves at this point. Let everything crackle. Now we'll go ahead and add finely chopped onions. Now let's give everything a good mix. And salt. So we are going to add half a quantity of salt right here, and we'll allow that onion to become transparent. Until then we'll keep mixing and we'll allow it to cook. It might take 2 minutes. Now we can see that the onions have turned little pink. So we'll add cubed potatoes. And let's quickly go ahead and give it a good mix. Actually, the idea here is to cook the potatoes a little bit before we add the rest of the veggies, as potato takes a little bit longer time than beans and carrot. Now the potato has been cooking for 4 minutes, and after that I'm going to add beans. Along with that I'll be adding carrot. So the beauty of this dish is all three different veggies and different colors, like it is so appealing when it is cooked. So we have to retain the color of this veggies. Now let's give it a good mix, and once it is mixed good enough, we'll go ahead and add water, and then again we'll give it a good mix, and we will now close the lid and try to cook all the veggies in its own steam. These have been cooking for 8 to 10 minutes now. It's right time to go ahead and add the masala powders. I'm adding chili powder, sambar powder and coriander powder. After adding the masala powders, we'll go ahead and allow it to cook for quite some time, say 3 to 4 minutes. Now please go ahead and taste it and add salt accordingly. It's time to add coconut and coriander leaves to finish off the dish. It's already done. Give it a good mix again, and you could see the bright colors of carrot, beans and the potato, all three different colors. It looks so appealing. So serve it hot with steamed hot rice and hot rasam or sambar of your choice. Try making this Poriyal or stir fry at home, and please to subscribe, share and like Mano Cooks. See you again. Thank you so much for watching.